There's a new variant of the OnePlus 6. The Amber Red is the latest addition to the OnePlus 6 color palette and it looks absolutely beautiful. The box and its contents remain the same, so we won't do a boring unboxing. Instead, we'll be focusing on the device itself. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's get started. OnePlus did introduce a lava red variant of the 5T last year, but this is more special because of the exact color of the red it produces. Making the shift to glass has made the device look better, but also made the process of making the red color more difficult. Here's how OnePlus managed to do it. To capture the perfect red, OnePlus utilized a never done before technique utilizing optical coating, evaporative film, and 6 panels of glass. An added anti-reflective layer was used to allow more light to reach the bottom layers of glass before being reflected off the device, creating a sense of depth. The translucent orange layer intermixes with the red base layer to achieve a radiant glossy red unique to OnePlus. PR talk aside, this color is kind of like Rosso Corsa is synonymous with Ferrari. I actually do like the red on this, and there definitely seems to be a depth too. It also has a slight tinge of purple, especially on the mid-frame at certain angles, and the shades of red vary based on the light that falls on it and the light that reflects it. The camera unit and the fingerprint scanner now have a gold bezel as well, and there's a special red edition wallpaper on it. The Amber Red is surely a head turner, no doubt about it, and I'm sure you'll agree if you have made it until here. While the silk white OnePlus 6 is still my favorite, probably due to the texture on the back, the red is definitely next on my list and I'll pick it over other colors any day. The Amber Red edition will be available from 16 July onwards in an 8 plus 128GB variant and will be priced at Rs 39,999, same as the other versions. We'll include a purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.